Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to number 4 tan t. So I will put this one goal here. We got 16 tan t square. Number 16. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1. We change for secant of t square. And later that we simplify number 3 over 2 and ds. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here. ds we change for this one. This one that is about 16 tan t square. So number 16, we can do about factorization. So this one that is about secant of t square. So this one with the power 3 over 2. We have 64 secant of t to the power of 3. This one that is about 16 tan t square. And now we need to simplify 64 secant of t square. So we have like this. So we have the formula in here. So I will put this one into this one. So this one divided by this one, we have secant of t. Number 1 divided by secant of t, we have cosine t. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, that is about ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t. Cosine t, that is about sin t. And I will put about c. So about t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 4. And now we can find the value of t, that is about octane of s over number 4. So I will put this one to change for t. So tan t, that is about s over number 4. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.